this video, we're going to talk about the meaning of refraction. If you see this, there's many ways you can think of it. This is 3 divided by 4. It means 3 out of 4. That's a good one. And it also means 3/4. At least that's how you can read it. 3 out of 4. That sometimes makes things clearer. Suppose you go and you buy a pizza pie. And the pie is cut into 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you being hungry, I guess, you eat this much out of the pie. You ate 3 out of 4 slices. That is, you ate 3/4 of the pie. Suppose you have a loaf of bread and it has 8 slices of bread, all the same size. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you take this one and this one and this one. What part did you take? Well, you know it's out of 8, and you took 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. You took 3/8 of the loaf, and you did whatever you did with it. Now, I'm going to point out that you can add different objects. For example, if you have 3 apples in one hand plus 2 bananas in your other hand, well, what do you have? Well, you have 3 apples plus 2 bananas. However, if you have 3 apples in one hand and 2 apples in the other hand, and somebody says, oh, what do you have in your hands? You can say, oh, I have 5 apples. Why? Because whatever I have 3 of and whatever I have 2 of, they're the same. So I can add them. 3 plus 2 is 5, and I have 5 of those same things. For example, 7 plus 2. Well, what same things do they have? Well, 7 is 7 ones, 7 times 1. And 2 is 2 times 1. Since you're adding ones, you're going to end up with 7 plus 2, which is 9, ones, which is 9. They have to be like before you can add them. Okay, so suppose we're back to pizza pies. One pie is cut into 4 slices. The other pie is cut into 8 slices. And you eat this much from the first pie, and you eat this much from the second pie. Now, notice that this person ate more than that person. The person on the right would also have to eat that slice to have eaten the same amount. But notice that 2 is less than 3. This person had 2 slices. This person had 3 slices of pizza pie. But there's a problem here. Slices. These slices and these slices are not the same. Let's be fair about it. These slices are bigger than these slices. So this is somewhat meaningless in terms of comparing or deciding how much you ate. For example, suppose this pie is not cut at all and you eat all of it. Well, here you had one slice. Now it turned, and here you had two slices, and here you had three slices. Here you ate the most, and here you ate the least. And this was the middle. So the one slice was the most, and the three slices were the least. You can't do that. It makes no sense. Okay, if you really want to talk about slices and comparing how much you ate versus how much your friend ate, or how much did you really eat in total. I mean, if you ate this amount, you can't say you had 6 slices. I say 6 because 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. That's not a good way of doing it. So what you have to do is have the same size slices. Now, just because I put these two lines or these two cuts doesn't affect how much I ate. I still ate this and this and this and this. I ate 4 out of 8 slices. Over here, I had 3 out of 8. Over here, I ate 8 over 8. And in all, I ate 15 out of 8 slices. I ate 15 slices. 8 from here, 3 from here, and 4 from here. I ate 15 slices out of 8. Now, I know this is a bit advanced at this point, but this is 1 7/8. I ate one whole pie here, and these two pies, I ate almost all of it. So I ate 1 7/8 pies. It comes together so much better when we have the same size. Now we can talk intelligently. We can compare. Like if you ate this here and I ate this here, now when you say, oh, I had 4 slices and you only had 3, it is true that you ate more than me. But the third person ate the most. They had 8 slices. Now when we're talking about slice, when we say that this is 4 slices that you ate, and this is 3 slices, and this is 8 slices, we're talking more intelligently because they're equal sizes. We're no longer calling this whole pie, which wasn't cut, 1 slice. And we weren't just calling this 8 slices in the whole pie. And initially, we had this is just 4 slices for the whole pie. You have to have the same unit. Each one of these pieces are 1/8 of the pie. 1/8, 1/8, 1/8. They're all 1/8 of the pie because they're 1 out of 8. 1 out of 8, 1 out of 8, 1 out of 8, 1 out of 8. Because now they're all divided by, the pie is divided into 8 pieces. Each piece is 1 out of 8. So now when we add them, it makes sense when we add the number of slices. Suppose you had a pie that's cut into 4 pieces and another pie that's cut into many pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is out of 24. This is out of 4. Now, if I eat this here, I ate 1 out of 4. If I eat these here, 3, 4, 5, I ate 5 out of 24. Notice this person ate more, but only had 1 slice. This person had 5 slices, but it's still less than what this person ate here. So what do? Notice that when I designed this, I had 1/4, each quarter into 6 pieces, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this person ate this too. Okay. 6 pieces. So now it's out of 24. Because if I did the same to this, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I did the same 3, 4, 5, 6, there'll be 24 slices. And they had 6 out of 24. Oh, this person had 6 out of 24 slices, and this person had 5 over 24 slices. This person ate more. Okay, when you have the same denominator, this person ate 6 out of 24, and this person ate 5 out of 24. Okay, just one last comment. The pies have to be the same size. If you buy a pie like this, and you cut it into 8 pieces, and I buy a much bigger pie, and I cut it into 8 pieces, and this person eats 2 slices, and this person eats 2 slices, we have a problem. Because clearly, what this person ate, although it's 1/4 of the pie, and this person ate 1/4 of the pie, this person ate more. Because their pies are bigger. I mean, imagine a pie the size of a cookie, and imagine, the size of a regular pizza pie. If you eat half the cookie, that you probably didn't eat very much. You wouldn't be very full. But if you eat half of a pizza pie, a regular, say, large pizza pie, That'd be a lot. Somebody might say, hey, how come you didn't finish the cookie? You didn't like it? If you ate half a pizza pie, most probably somebody wouldn't say, why don't you have the other half? Didn't you like it? They'd probably say, boy, you must have liked it. So they have to be the same radius. They have to be the same size pie. Otherwise, what I did here was garbage. 6 out of 24, 5 out of 24. It's very possible that the 5 out of the 24 would be a larger amount than the 6 out of the 24, because maybe that pie was much, much bigger. But I tried my best to make them look the same size. But if they're not the same size, then you really can't do anything. That's going to complete the video on the meaning of a fraction.